Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Etekcity ESF-551 Smart Fitness Scale, featuring advanced body tracking, a sleek glass design, and smart app integration. With precise sensors, multi-user support, and easy Bluetooth connectivity, it helps you track your fitness progress with ease. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Etekcity ESF-551 Smart Fitness Scale. 1.5-volt AAA batteries pre-installed. Quick start guide. Product features. The Etekcity ESF-551 Smart Fitness Scale goes beyond basic weight measurement by offering detailed body composition insights. It tracks up to 13 metrics, including body fat percentage, muscle mass, BMI, bone mass, and body water. These measurements help you better understand your body and monitor your fitness progress with greater accuracy. With intelligent user recognition, the scale can automatically detect and assign data to different users. It supports multiple profiles, making it ideal for families or shared use, while keeping everyone's data separate and easy to manage. The scale connects smoothly with its companion VSync app and syncs with popular platforms like Samsung Health, Google Fit, Apple Health, and Fitbit. This allows you to track progress over time, analyze trends, and keep all your fitness data in one convenient place. Built with a strong tempered glass platform and a sleek modern design, the scale is made for durability and everyday use. Its energy-efficient system ensures long-lasting battery performance, so you can rely on it without frequent replacements. Technical specifications. App connection. First, download the VSync app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install and open the app to begin setting up your smart fitness scale, and make sure to allow the necessary permissions like Bluetooth so the device can connect properly. Next, create your VSync account to continue the setup process, which lets you access all smart features. After that, set up your personal profile with basic details like age, height, and weight for accurate tracking. And you can also create multiple user profiles, so every family member can store and track their own fitness data separately on the same scale. Finally, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and tap the plus icon on the VSync app home screen. Select your smart fitness scale from the list of available devices, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process and finish setting up your device. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Etekcity ESF-551 features a tempered glass platform with a standard plastic base, designed for stability and simple everyday durability. On the other hand, the Wise Scale X also uses tempered glass, but adds a more refined anti-skid, moisture-resistant build with improved bathroom durability and a slightly more premium finish. The Etekcity ESF-551 features a clear LCD display that shows weight and units, pounds, kilograms, and stones. And it also includes simple activation feedback, like HI, along with basic mode indicators. The Wise Scale X comes with a more modern LED display that offers clearer visuals and more interactive smart indicators, giving it a more premium on-scale experience. The Etekcity ESF-551 tracks up to 13 body composition metrics, including BMI, body fat, muscle mass, bone mass, and body water, all of which are displayed in the V-Sync app for detailed analysis. The Wise Scale X also measures full body composition, but goes further by adding heart rate tracking and extra smart modes, such as baby, pet, luggage, and pregnancy tracking, making it more feature-rich. The Etekcity ESF-551 connects via Bluetooth and syncs with the V-Sync app, supporting platforms like Apple Health, Google Fit, Samsung Health, and Fitbit. The Wise Scale X supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling automatic cloud syncing and smoother real-time data updates without needing constant phone connection. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.